Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia out here in Long Island, New York with another awesome find with classic cars. Guys, we have a very special car here. It's been in the family for a very long time. And I was driving by and I seen this car and I asked, knocked on the door and asked the owner if it's for sale. Right now he's holding on to it. It was his son's car, but in the future it may be for sale, so he will contact me. But guys, check this out. 1964 Impala SS 283 automatic car, tuxedo black with red interior. Guys, this car is awesome. Originally from out where I am, Manaville, Long Island. You have the center console. The car is original, guys. Back seats out over here in the rear of the overhang where it is. But guys, check this out. Real SS car, tuxedo black, really nice shape. Some rust bubbles, common rust, which is normal. But guys, would you buy and restore this car, or would you leave it as a daily driver? That's the question these days. Car does run and drive, needs a little bit of TLC, but this thing is awesome. Has the rally rims on it, and it's absolutely beautiful car. The more rust, the better I like it. But check it out, guys. There's the rear seats back there. And there it is, Impala SS. I love these cars. True SS, guys. Here in Long Island, New York. Matching number car. So check this out here, a little rust over here. We're gonna open up this hood for you for a second. Pretty cool. Got power steering option, got power brake option as well. Four barrel L-block on there. There it is. Beautiful car, guys. So guys, like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, Jerry Metal Man Battaglia, out here in Long Island, New York. I'm gonna close this hood down. There it goes. Like raw metal slamming down. Better than these junky cars today. Again, subscribe to the channel, guys. Here it is. 64 Impala SS, tuxedo black, red interior, automatic, power brakes, power steering, red interior with a center console. Like and share the video, guys. Subscribe to my channel, Jerry Metal Man Battaglia, coming to you with another awesome video from Long Island, New York. Have a great day.